Drink these 3 powerful teas to rebuild your muscle strength and walk with confidence again. If your legs have been feeling weaker lately, if climbing stairs has become more difficult, or if you're getting tired much faster than before, you are not alone, and it's not simply a normal part of aging. Exciting new research shows that certain natural teas can actually help restore leg strength, improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and boost your energy levels without relying on medication or strenuous exercise. These teas are simple, safe, and backed by science. In fact, a long-term study in Japan that followed thousands of older adults found that those who regularly drank green tea maintained stronger muscles and better balance as they aged. You can even see real-life examples, like legendary Japanese sprinter Hidekichi Miyazaki, who continued running past the age of 100 and credited his daily cup of green tea as one of the keys to his incredible longevity and strength. In this video, we're revealing the top 3 best teas for seniors to improve leg strength and energy, each carefully chosen and verified by health researchers, so you can be confident about the information you're receiving. And if you stick with me until the very end, I'll also share a surprising herbal ingredient that has been shown to supercharge blood flow and fight muscle fatigue in older adults, yet most people have never heard of it. Let's dive in. One of the best teas for rebuilding leg strength is ginger turmeric tea, a warm, soothing drink that can be a real game changer for older adults who want stronger legs and more natural energy. If your legs feel heavy when you walk, or you find yourself getting tired by the time you climb a few stairs, this tea might quickly become a favorite daily habit. Ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory roots, and when used together, they don't just add a comforting flavor, they actively help reduce the inflammation that leads to muscle fatigue, stiff joints, and soreness after even light activity. Many seniors think they struggle simply because their muscles are weak, but in reality, inflammation and swelling are often what slow them down. Ginger turmeric tea targets the root of that problem. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that enhance blood circulation, helping deliver oxygen-rich blood to your leg muscles so they stay strong and recover more efficiently. Think of it like giving your hard-working legs the fuel they need to keep going. When blood flow improves, every step feels more stable and energized. Turmeric, on the other hand, contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for protecting muscles from breakdown, supporting recovery, and easing joint discomfort. If your knees pop or ache when you stand up, curcumin can help calm that inflammation so your muscles can function properly and support every movement you make. Another added bonus is its gentle energy boost. Unlike coffee, which can leave you jittery, ginger naturally enhances metabolism, helping your body convert food into usable energy. This means you're less likely to feel sluggish after meals and more likely to stay active throughout the day, whether that's a short walk, stretching, or simple leg exercises. The best part is how easy it is to make. Simply steep a few slices of fresh ginger with a teaspoon of turmeric, fresh or ground, in hot water for about 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and if you like, sweeten with a little honey or a squeeze of lemon. This simple tea has been a traditional remedy in Indian households for generations, known for keeping joints flexible and reducing everyday aches. Even modern athletes, such as NBA star Stephen Curry, include turmeric in their recovery routines to support muscle health. And while you don't need to train like a professional, you can still enjoy those same benefits. Whether the improvements appear within a few days or a couple of weeks, consistency is key. A daily cup, especially in the morning, can help your legs feel stronger, reduce discomfort, and give you more energy to stay active. If you're serious about improving your strength and mobility naturally, ginger turmeric tea is one of the simplest and most enjoyable places to start. Now let's move on to something truly revitalizing. Ginseng Green Tea, a blend that can bring life back into tired legs and low energy levels. If you feel drained halfway through the day, or your legs start giving up before you finish even simple tasks, this tea may be exactly what your body has been missing. Ginseng Green Tea works like a gentle wake-up call for your entire system, supporting your muscles, boosting your brain, and helping your legs stay strong. The secret lies in combining 2 powerful plants, energizing green tea, packed with antioxidants that support muscle health, and ginseng, a traditional medicinal root known for increasing strength, reducing fatigue, and restoring vitality. Ginseng is especially beneficial for aging muscles because of its adaptogenic properties, meaning it helps your body manage physical stress more effectively. Daily wear and tear can make your legs feel like they're constantly struggling to keep up. But ginseng promotes resilience, helping your muscles stay capable and reducing that heavy, tired feeling. Research also shows that ginseng improves endurance and helps muscles use oxygen more efficiently, leading to better stamina and less fatigue. Imagine climbing stairs, running errands, or taking a walk without feeling exhausted afterward. That's the kind of support ginseng can offer over time. Green tea adds its own layer of benefits. It contains catechin antioxidants that fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage muscle and joint cells, causing stiffness and weakness. By drinking green tea regularly, you support your body's natural repair process, helping your legs stay stronger for longer. Plus, unlike coffee, which can spike then crash your energy levels, green tea provides a smooth and steady lift thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid that keeps you alert while also calming the mind. When combined with ginseng, you get a balanced boost in both physical and mental energy. That mental boost is more important than most people realize. When you feel awake and motivated, you naturally move more, and that movement gradually rebuilds leg strength. So ginseng green tea doesn't just energize your body, it encourages the mindset that keeps you active and independent. Preparing it at home is simple. Steep a green tea bag in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes, then add a few slices of fresh ginseng root or a small amount of dried ginseng powder and let it sit for another 5 minutes. Add honey or lemon if you enjoy a little extra flavor. Consistency is the key. 1 cup a day can make a significant difference over time. It's not a magic overnight fix, but a gentle daily ritual that supports better mobility, balance, and confidence with every step. Research from the American Journal of Chinese Medicine has found that older adults who consumed ginseng regularly showed stronger lower body performance and reduced fatigue in everyday movement. Even well-known figures like Jackie Chan in his 70s have credited ginseng tea for helping them stay active and capable. If you're ready to feel more energetic, steady on your feet, and motivated to move, ginseng green tea deserves a permanent place in your routine. It's more than just a drink. It's a daily push toward a stronger, healthier version of you. Now let's talk about a very special tea that helps far more than just your legs. Ashwagandha Root Tea. This soothing herbal drink brings balance, calm, and renewed strength to your entire body, especially as you get older. If you've never tried it before, you may be pleasantly surprised by how much of a difference it can make. Ashwagandha is known as an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body cope with stress, fatigue, and the natural wear and tear that comes with aging. As the years pass, our muscles weaken not only from less movement, but also because stress hormones, poor sleep, and shifting hormone levels, including cortisol and testosterone, affect energy and muscle tone. Ashwagandha helps restore that internal balance. Imagine waking up in the morning, and instead of feeling tired, stiff, or anxious about the day ahead, you feel centered, calm, and ready to move. Your legs feel less heavy and more dependable beneath you. That's the subtle but powerful improvement many older adults notice after making ashwagandha tea a daily habit. The benefits come largely from its ability to regulate cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. When cortisol stays high for too long, it weakens muscles, increases belly fat, and drains energy. Ashwagandha helps bring cortisol back to a healthy range, signaling to your body that it's safe to relax, repair, and rebuild strength instead of constantly breaking it down. Research supports this as well. Multiple clinical studies have shown that ashwagandha can improve muscle strength, endurance, and stability, even in seniors. Participants in one study experienced better lower body strength, improved balance, and greater stamina within just a few weeks of daily use. This isn't magic. It's simply your body functioning the way it's meant to once stress is reduced and recovery is supported. That recovery also depends heavily on sleep. Ashwagandha calms the nervous system, making it ideal for people who struggle with nighttime anxiety, restless sleep, or difficulty winding down. Since muscles repair themselves while we sleep, deeper rest directly translates to stronger legs and better mobility. Another key area ashwagandha supports is nerve health. If you ever feel unsteady, shaky, or like your legs aren't fully responding when you move, weakened neuromuscular connections could be the cause. Ashwagandha helps strengthen those connections, improving coordination and confidence with every step. Preparing the tea is simple. Simmer about a teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root in water for 10 to 15 minutes, strain, and enjoy warm. You can add honey, cinnamon, or even a pinch of nutmeg for a more comforting flavor. Whether you drink it in the morning for calm energy or in the evening for peaceful sleep, consistency is what creates lasting results. Holistic wellness experts, including well-known nutrition professionals, often recommend ashwagandha for older adults dealing with stress, low energy, and muscle weakness. Even high-profile wellness advocates over 60 have helped bring adaptogens like ashwagandha into the spotlight for maintaining vitality and emotional balance. For seniors, the benefits go a step further: better leg strength, improved stability, and calm energy that lasts throughout the day. So if you want to feel steadier on your feet, less weighed down by stress, and more at ease in your everyday life, Ashwagandha Root Tea is a wonderful choice. It supports not just stronger muscles, but physical, mental, and emotional harmony, the real foundation of lifelong mobility and independence. These teas are simple daily tools that can help you walk steadier, feel stronger, and move through life with more confidence and less pain. Just remember, consistency is key. 1 cup a day, paired with gentle movement and a positive mindset, can lead to real, noticeable improvements over time. If you're thinking about trying one of these teas, or if you've already seen benefits, we'd love to hear from you. Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It truly supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more science-backed health tips designed especially for you. You deserve to feel strong, energized, and supported every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.